I'm John Kerner and I am the Executive General Manager at Healey Brothers. Today, I'm in Goshen, New York at our Healey Lincoln dealership. And I wanted to announce today to everybody that we have been awarded the Black Label franchise for our Lincoln facility. Healey Lincoln is excited to become a Black Label dealership, to bring a whole new level of SUV to consumers in the Hudson Valley. This is truly an honor as we are the only Black Label Lincoln dealership in Orange, Dutchess, Ulster, or Sullivan County. From the yacht color exteriors to the beautifully designed interiors using special woods and special trims, it truly is a luxury vehicle that far surpasses anything in the Lincoln brand today. We're going to be able to offer our consumers a better buying experience and truly a better ownership experience with amenities that they've never had before in the car buying process. Black Label owner perks will include pickup and delivery service, premium maintenance at no cost, a 1-year COM app membership, car washes anytime, a complete interior and exterior detailing, plus membership in the Avis's President's Club. I'm also very excited today to announce that Healey Lincoln is going to be breaking ground this summer on an exclusive Lincoln facility for the Hudson Valley. It will be the only standalone Lincoln facility in Orange, Dutchess, Ulster, or Sullivan County. It will be in Goshen, New York, next to our Ford store, and our goal is to break ground mid to late summer and to have a grand opening by early summer of 2022. You can keep track of how we're progressing at HealeyLincoln.net or at HealeyBrothers.com, and I'm sure I'll be updating you as progress continues on this exciting new project.